I bought this Divoom Ditoo Pro thing. It said it was some kind of pixel art Bluetooth speakery thing, and if I'm honest, I have absolutely no idea. But it does look kind of cool. There you go, Divoom. And then this is the model D2 Pro, made in China. Input 5 volt 2 amps, audio output 15 watts. Nice. Right, so this thing does actually turn on, but it said that it wouldn't charge. So it says on off there. Let's just turn it on to show you. So there you go, it comes on. But it does die very quickly. I mean, I don't really... There you go, battery light flashing. I mean, it's got like a stick on the side. I don't know what that does. I don't know what that is. It will turn itself off eventually. Like that. So there we go, it's gone off. Right, so I had a quick look at the charging port, and it doesn't look great. I don't know whether I want to stick a charger in it. I'm going to look at it under the microscope first to make sure. Right, let's have a look at this. It's hard to see. No, that does not look good. No. I don't think I'm going to plug that in. The listing did say it didn't charge, so I'm going to trust the listing, and I'm not going to risk blowing up one of my chargers, or indeed, myself. Hopefully that is the only problem. I mean, the fact that it comes on is good. How do you get into this thing? There's no visible screws, obviously.
Thing, but this one ain't R2. It's D2 though. I guess that makes it Rebel 2. We'll fix this port. Therein lies the problem source. I'm on my own with this. I can't just use the force. Cooley Jingus and Sigma 4. Brian Mitchell and Christopher Shaw. Anthony Dean and Lee Benz. Wet Claw Badger Squash the CD extends. To Dr. Princess Wizard and Frito TV, which leaves an easy rhyme that hit the HHG. I'm about to spit that now. Y'all ain't ready. The ship is going down. It's just too fucking heavy. Powell S11I, Sam Boone, Mysticism, Chris Jenkins, Alice, Margaret, Troy, Inflin, Sky Star, Dreamer, Mick Adams, Hammy, Cheesy, Les Robertson, David Clark, Infinity. Dr. Stuart Coles, Daniel DB, Fox Cutter, Dr. Frankenstein, B Money, Adam Taylor, Kill Switch, Stuart Harvey, Oz Newton, Heinzie Hall, Terrell Burton Mackey. It's almost time to fix D2, get on with it, Stephen. Okay, Campbell, Burr, Lodger and Esther and Keegan. I'm in this thing now, don't call the police. This rhyme about to end when I say the word peace.
Right. That was quite difficult to get into, but mainly because this... I don't know if it's stuck. It wasn't that difficult, actually. It's just... There's no way of prying under here because it was such a good seal. So I just had to pop it off by sticking something in there and levering it off. It was okay, but as with anything, once you know how, it's easier. Right, so where's the USB charging port? It's there, so it must be on the... Yeah, it's on the other side of this board. So we have to take this board out. Easier said than done. Am I missing a screw? No. There we go. Oh, we've got ribbon cable. Ooh, that's tight. Aha. Ribbon cable there, and two more here. Well, they're not ribbon cables, they're just connectors, but... There we go. Are they different sizes? Yes, they are. Right, beautiful. Okay, so there's a battery pack. Looks like two 18650s. Maybe slightly smaller, actually. So 7.2 volts, 2,500 milliamp hours. Nice. Okay. Right, let's have a look at this charging port. Yeah, it doesn't look great. I might be able to get a better view of it now. Let's get the microscope back out. Oh, right. Well, there we go. That's an absolute mess, isn't it? I mean, it looks like all the pins are there. But we've got like a chunk of plastic missing. But the good news is, none of the pins appear to be shorted together. Let's flip it around. Which is... Oh, I don't know. Those two are pretty darn close, aren't they? They might be touching. Right, well, I think it's safe to say it needs a new port. Let's have a look at the port. And by the port, I mean look at the pins on the port, because we've already looked at the port. And by pins, I mean the connection to the board, not the pins inside the port, because we've already looked at the pins. One day I'll get the hang of this YouTube thing, and I'll be able to explain what I'm doing properly. Right, there we go. And it's our old favourite. It's the 16-pin USB-C. Beautiful. Good job I ordered plenty of those from China. Right, what have we got melting-wise? We've got a button there. We've got a switch there. SD card slot there. Okay, so we're going to have to use some aluminum tape on those bad boys. And then hopefully we can get this port off. I was a bit sceptical of, or spectacle, as I heard someone refer to it as recently, of aluminum tape when I first started using it, but I must say it's been very good to me. It works a treat. For anyone who hasn't tried it, I recommend it. Watch me melt all this plastic now. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to go all gung-ho and slap it with a load of heat. Let's set this thing on. Board's pretty thick. I'm going to go 500 because I'm a rebel. Let's do this. Nice. Right, let's introduce some leaded solder and see if we can wick that rubbish solder away. Check quick SMD 291 flux. Multi-core, 5-core solder. Sorry, solder.
Super wick.
Nice. Trusty isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%.
Pure.
Just going to come in with a naked Q-tip, cotton bud, whatever you want to call it first. Just try and mop up some of that juicy flux. Left it too long, it's not really working. Isopropyl alcohol to the rescue. Nice. Does look like I've exposed a little bit of that there. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. Might just put a little bit of solder mask on there just in case it interferes with these pins. It shouldn't do. Better to be safe than sorry. That's probably a bit too much. I'm going to be using my trusty soldering mask curing device. Nice. I think I'm going to try the hot drop method. But first I just want to make sure that the replacement ports that I've got fit. Yes, they do. Nice. Right, let's add some leaded solder. Am I missing a pad there? What's going on? Did I do that? Oh dear. Oops. Right, well I better make sure that I'm hoping that's a no connect. It's really hard to see the... I think it is. So hard to see the lines on this thing. I don't think that goes anywhere. I think that one is there, and this trace goes to that one. I think I've got lucky there. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's put the new port on and see if it works. A little bit of flicks in my life. I'm just looking for the solder to go nice and shiny, which it's getting there. Just need these anchor points. It's looking good. Would help if I had a steady hand, which I do not today for whatever reason. Oh my god. Nice. Shut up. Nice. Let's do the solid test. Solid. Solid. Oh. Might need a bit more on the... Oh no. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, this is rubbish. Steve. That one's solid. Okay. Need to add a little bit more solder to the to the ones. Sorry. To the ones in the middle. Flip it around so I can get to it. Right, let's check those. I don't quite know what's going on outside. I think it's somebody having fun. Whatever that is. Solid. Solid.
Solid. Solid. Solid. Solid. Solid. Solid.
Not solid. Well, that's the one where there's no pad.
Solid. Solid. Solid.
Solid.
Apart from the one where there's no pad. Let's clean it up. And now let's check for melted plastic, everyone's favourite part. Would help if I can get the tape off. Oh. Oh, have we got some melted plastic? No, I don't think we have. I mean, there's a bit of singe in there, isn't there? After me binging up the aluminium tape. Actually, no, it's just sticky residue. No, that is not melted. Does it still work? Yes, it does. Let's clean it up. Right, let's try this one. I think we're good. Yeah, that's fine too. Make sure it still works. Yes, it does. Right, let's check the other side for the mounting holes. Make sure the solder flowed all the way through. Yes, it did. Look how beautiful that looks. Clean it up. Beautiful. Right, well, I'd say that was a job well done. Well done, Steve. But is it going to work? There is only one way to find that out, and that is to put it all back together after I've cleared away all of this mess. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it still comes on. Yes, it does. Let's see if it charges. It fits in. Yep. 0.25 amps. 0.46. Guessing the battery's very low. Have we got anything on the screen to show that it's charging? No. Let me go back to the old-fashioned... whatever this is. Oh my god, I got it the right way. There. So 5 volts, 0.38 amps, 0.4 amps. Right, I'm going to leave it for a bit, because I'm guessing the battery was completely flat. I'm going to turn it off and hope it still takes a charge. And I'm just going to leave it. Fade. Fade back in. Fade back in. It's only been a few minutes, but I have just noticed, I don't know if you can see it, there's a green light there, which is quite promising. I think that means it's charging. I don't know. But let's leave it a bit longer. Fade again. Fade again. Right, it's been on for probably about an hour now, and we do still have the green light inside here. So I think it is still charging, and it's still taking around half an amp. So I'm going to call it there, and I'm going to hopefully see that it's taken some charge. Let's power it on. So far so good. I still don't know what I'm doing, but it's staying on, so that's a good sign. Is that games? Oh. Oh. Well, that looks like Arkanoid. Oh. Yes. This is a bit slow, isn't it? I'll speed it up. I can't get these last two. There's one. Come on, surely. That's got to be it, right? Boom! 64, whatever that means. Right, well that was good. How do I get to the music bit? Music. Bluetooth. Let's see if I can connect up to Bluetooth. There it is, D2 Pro Lite. An app is needed to use this device. Oh, okay. Right, so there must be an app. Let me look for an app. Well, I found an app which appears to have, like, the pixel art stuff on it. Oh, there we go. Right, I've just successfully uploaded that to here. Let's try a different one. Oh. I wish I knew what I was doing. That is the right time, though. It's obviously got the time from somewhere. Presumably my phone. Yay! I mean, yeah. Oh. Oh, it's alternating between the two. That's, oh no. I didn't leave it long enough. Let me plug it back in, and then we'll try and play some music through it. So I've obviously not left it long enough, but I'm impatient. So I know it is charging. It's absolutely fine. Let's see if we can play some music through it. There we go. I did not expect it to sound that good. Wow. That has taken me very much by surprise. That sounds great. I left it charging overnight. And here it is. Haha, check that out. And when you press this button at the back, there we go. We got a full battery. Where's it gone? Nice. Stupid thing.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need.